how to create Varo bank account. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create your very own Varo bank account online so you can manage your money securely and easily. Open your browser and go to the Varo Bank's official website at varo.com, or you can download the Varo app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android. On the website or in the app, click on the Sign Up or Get Started button to begin the account creation process. Now fill out your personal details such as your full name, address, date of birth, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to provide your social security number for identity verification. Now set up a username and a secure password for your Varo account. This will protect your personal information and secure your online banking experience. You will use these credentials to log into your account in the future. Varo will ask you to verify your identity by providing a photo of your government-issued ID. You'll also be required to take a selfie for additional verification. You can use your driver's license or passport for this task. Now choose whether you'd like to open a Varo bank account for everyday banking or a Varo savings account for saving money and earning interest. You can also choose a combination of both. So if you want to transfer funds to or from your new Varo account, link an external bank account by providing its details. Read through Varo's terms and conditions, and after agreeing to them, click Submit. After submitting your application, you receive an email with confirmation, so your Varo account will be ready once it's approved. And that's it. You've successfully created your Varo bank account. Now you can start managing your finances, sending money, and earning interest directly from your mobile device. Thanks for watching.